welcome back to my channel and today's edition of La 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 Fridays. I almost said Hot Tip Tuesday actually. La 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 Fridays are dedicated to my best holiday gift giving options for you and your business so that you can have a smoking hot holiday selling season. If you missed it, I've been posting for the past few weeks with additional ideas, so you're definitely going to want to go back and watch those if you haven't yet. And be sure to join me on Tuesdays for Hot Tip Tuesday, where I give you my best business advice to help you rock your business and run it simple, smooth, not a bunch of confusion, right? Okay, so today I'm coming at you with one of my favorites, and I started doing this one last year. You may have seen it before. It is called Cookies and Cream. I love this gift, especially popular with like teachers and coaches or babysitters or daycare people, somebody who watches your children, that type of stuff. They are just the stinking cutest and the price point is so good. So easy to do as well. So the first thing you're gonna need is our hand cream. You can do it in the fragrance free, you can do it in the white tea and citrus. If you still have some pomegranate, you could definitely do that. You could do mint bliss with it as well. It's technically a cream, or any of the creams we have in our product lineup. I particularly like the Satin Hands lotion. And what you do is you go grab yourself a sugar cookie, chocolate chip cookie, oatmeal cookie, whatever C is for cookie. Now that sounds in my head. I sing it to Carolyn all the time. But anyway, whatever type of cookie mix you want. I think sugar's pretty like a safe bet just in case somebody doesn't like chocolate or somebody doesn't like peanut butter, you know, that sort of thing. Go get whatever brand you want. It does not matter. You can totally get off-brand, like whatever, you know, budget it, see what's best for your budget. And all you do is you stick the lotion to the front of the cookie mix. And I always put a little bit of tape there just in case so it doesn't slip out. I tied it up with some glitter tulle, and then I added in this darling sticker from Pink Printing. This is actually a sticker, but I use it as a tag. They're thick, they're really good quality, and so you can actually write on the back of these or not, just use it here. It says Happy Holidays. They have a ton of different options. And I think that it's darling, and the price point is definitely under 15. So exciting, right? So this is a great 15 and under, great stocking stuffer. This would also be like a great hostess gift if somebody's like hosting a cookie exchange or something like that, right? I think it's super cute. Anyway, I just wanted to share this one with you, and yeah, that's what I've got for you today. I hope you all have a wonderful Friday and continue to just rock those sales and your gift giving this holiday season. Be sure to hit subscribe, click the bell so that you can stay up on all of my new videos, and then be sure to pop over to Instagram and give me a follow at Girls, Goals, and Gong Shows. I also write a blog that you can go check out. I've recently done my best piece of advice for anybody in the direct selling industry. That may be one you're interested in reading, and you can check that out at girlsgoalsandgongshows.com. And in the meantime, I hope you have a great weekend. Go rock some sales. It's the highest selling season right now, you guys. So I hope that you're totally taking advantage of it. So anyway, I will see you next Tuesday for another edition of Hot Tip Tuesday. And then I will see you Friday for another edition of Fa La 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 Fridays. Even though it's Thanksgiving here in the States, I will have a video up for you Friday. I'm gonna do it. All right, everybody. I hope you have a great week. I will see you soon.